You are not bad with money, you are being psychologically hunted, and the people doing it have spent over 50 years perfecting the trap. Here is exactly how it works, and the 4 friction moves that shut it down completely. Before anything else, the reason why this matters is that the average Indian household spends about 38% of its income on things it did not plan to buy that month. That 38% invested consistently from age 25 comes over 4 crore rupees by retirement. The gap between your current financial life and your potential one is not income, it is unplanned spending. That is why you cannot fix it with willpower. Your brain releases dopamine before you buy, not after. The anticipation of the purchase is the chemical reward. The item is almost irrelevant. By the time you are consciously deciding, the emotional brain has already decided. Dan Ariely proved this at MIT. Purchasing decisions are made in under 400 milliseconds, faster than a blink. The retail industry reverse engineered this in the 1950s and has been refining it ever since. 3 mechanisms trigger the buy decision before your rational brain engages. First is scarcity. Only 3 left increases purchase likelihood by 37%, even when the inventory is completely artificial. Second, social proof. Bestseller outsources your judgment to an anonymous crowd. Third, anchoring. Was $5.99, now only for $2.99. Anchor is not a real price, it is a perception tool. $2.99 feels cheap because of a number that was invented to make it feel cheap. Roy Baumeister at Florida State proved that willpower is a finite source that depletes with every decision you make. By 9 p.m. when you are on your phone, tired, scrolling, you have the least resistance you will have all day. This is not a coincidence. This is when Zomato pushes its notifications. This is when Myntra runs its flash sales. Timing is scientific. So here are 4 friction moves that actually work, because they remove the decision entirely rather than relying on willpower that is already spent. First move, delete the app from your phone. Not mute, delete. Reinstalling takes about 60 seconds, but that 60 seconds is enough friction to let the dopamine dissolve. Move 2, remove every saved card from every shopping app. The moment you have to type in 16 digits, you have introduced a pause. Most impulse purchases do not survive that pause. Friction move 3, 48-hour rule. Anything over ₹500 goes into a list. Not a cart, not a screenshot. You make a list. You visit it after 48 hours. If that desire survives 48 hours, then it is a real desire. In my experience, fewer than 20% of impulse survives the wait. Friction move 4. Pay in cash for 1 week. The physical act of handling over notes activates loss aversion in a way that a tap to pay never does. Studies show that cash spending is 12 to 18% lower than card spending for identical purchases. You are not fixing your spending. You are redesigning the environment so that the decision never happens. That is the only strategy that works long term. Comment dopamine below and I will send you the complete friction audit, the exact 7 triggers being used on you daily and the counter move for each one.